Hey, so really quick before we start this video, if you guys didn't watch that last video, we're actually giving away a free Hypebeast mystery box. All that information is either in the last video, which you can watch, or you can click on the link in the description below, gleam.io. You basically click all the plus ones over there. It takes like maybe 20 seconds tops, and you'll be entered to win a free hype box. So check that out. Information is in the description below, and yeah, enjoy the rest of this video. I'm seriously willing to bet like anything that there is going to be a V1 in this box. I haven't opened the box yet, but I have known from like history, like I go through my data charts and stuff of these boxes, and every single time I buy in this range, I've been getting screwed over with V1s, so easy V1s to be specific. So fingers crossed there's not, but if there is, I hope it's one of the good ones. Anyway, stay tuned. Beater box coming up.
That makes me wanna dance all night long. It's just summertime magic.
Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, back again with your favorite series, this beater box series. This beater box, as always, comes to us from Supremacy.com. Soul Supremacy is a shop out in the Bay Area of California that specializes in selling these beater boxes. They got shoes, they got soul steals, they got mystery stuff. I don't know, they're a really good shop though. So I'd highly suggest you guys check them out if you're in California, and check them out online at soulsupremacy.com. Link will be in the description below. These boxes are not sponsored. I buy literally every single one of these boxes with my own money. The reason why is because you buy these boxes in the hopes that you can make money off of them. So historically, I've done pretty good. The last box was great. The box before that was terrible. So it really fluctuates basically on what you get. Sometimes you get good stuff, sometimes you get bad stuff. Anyway, this box is $1,000 like I was saying, and I have had horrible luck with the $1,000 boxes. I have no idea why. I go through my data charts, and every single time I get $1,000, like in that area, 900 to like 1,100, it always has a V1, and it's never good because the V1 market is so bad right now. It's like, it's not good. Yeezys in general just have not been doing very well, and the V1 seems to be tanking like the hardest and the fastest. If you have a dead stock pair, then yeah, they're worth a lot of money, but these are beater boxes. Most of the time, they're not dead stock, and if they are dead stock, they're not in a beater box. So let's check it out. I hope we don't have one. $1,000 box. Fingers crossed we get something good. So, first impressions. Things first, we got one shoe without a box. This one is a Jordan 9, it looks like. Not really sure what the colorway is for this one. What is this? I don't know. Not really big on Jordan 9, so I have no idea what this is. It's like a gold look though, with a lot of white on it. There is like this weird stain on the front toe box over there, which kind of sucks. Also no box. This one is a size 12, so if you guys are interested in this, it will be up on the web store. Also, what you guys are seeing on the screen right now is the competitive market value for these shoes. So I look online and I determine basically what is the going rate for these shoes in these conditions. And trust me, it's really hard to like get a good value based off of used shoes, because I mean, once it's used, it really fluctuates. Like, it really is determined by what people will pay for it, because there's no set number like it has one scratch minus $10. It doesn't work like that. It's really based off of where the market is. So we try to hit these prices when we sell, and for the most part we get pretty close or over sometimes. So that's what you're seeing over here. All right, so next box out, we got some Nike SB in a size 10. No idea what this is. Some kind of purple SB. It's very purple soles, used a little bit, but it's not, I don't know, not for me. Not much to say there. I mean, it's probably not very hyped. SBs don't go for much now these days, except for that SB Supreme that we got last time. That was good. This is not an SB Supreme though. Next out, we got a pair of Asics in a size 11. Asics, historically not a very good shoe to resell. This one is a dead stock pair though, and I believe these are called the Veg Tans or the Veggie Tans or something like that. You can kind of see it right there. It's like dark brown up here and then like a salmon milky color right here. So yeah, Gel Light 3s, they actually move not bad, but I don't think this colorway is very popular. Whew. Next up, we got a Jordan 28 box. We got one of these recently. First 28 I've ever seen, so this will be the second. This one is in a size 10 though. I guess it was put in backwards. No idea. Not even gonna guess. Not even gonna guess. These are used though. Supposedly people in the comments are saying these are really good performance shoes, I guess. I don't know. I don't think they look that great. Yeah, this looks like a pretty cool colorway though. I guess it's like kind of a bred version of whatever this is supposed to be. So Jordan 28 in a size 10. Oh man. All right, so we got an Air Max 97 next, size 8.5. This thing is super used. It's like an obsidian colorway or something, or dark navy. It's got hair on it too, that's gross. But yeah, a little bit used up. I'm not really a big fan of 97s. Looks like the insoles are over here. These probably won't be going for too much. Okay, I seen what's in there already. Jordan 5, size 4Y. Just wait for it. This one is a gold something. What is this called? Is this the Olympic or gold medal? I think these are called gold medals or something like that. But yeah, Jordan 5 youth. It is used, but not too bad of a condition. Other shoe looks about the same. Okay, 3 more. This one is a Jordan 11, sorry, size 4Y. Ooh, okay, so these are a pair of the 7210s. 7210s actually go for a decent amount of money, even if it's used, so this is a pretty good pair to have. Bottoms are dirtied up, but other than that, it's not in really terrible shape, so this is actually a good shoe. I'm sure there's good value over here on the counter. All right, and the reason why I'm laughing is because it was true. Like I said, somehow every single time I get one of these $1,000 boxes, there's always a V1. And before I used to be super stoked over it because it had great value. Now I'm just really like, I don't want them. I'd rather have something else in the box. Yeah, let's check it out. This one is a Yeezy size 11 V1. All right, and so these are a pair of the Moon Rocks. Not one of the better shoes either. Turtle Doves is the one you want, obviously. Moon Rocks, they're not going for too much, I'm pretty sure. I think they're about $500 to $600 now. But it is in good condition. The uppers look completely fine. Bottoms, pretty dirtied up. But the boost is not like terrible in there, so that's a good sign. Other shoe looks about the same. Yeah, I mean, that's probably half the value of the box at least, I'm assuming. So it's good and bad. It's just because there's no buyers that'll buy this. And unfortunately, the box is also damaged right there. So further dropping the value on this thing. I think we might have got another dud box. We do have one more shoe though. This one is a Yeezy 350 though. What colorway? Size 10.5. Oof, not a good colorway. These are the cream white Yeezys. As you guys know, these are restocking actually soon, so value for these is not good, especially in used conditions. They're not even brand new. So yeah, I mean, a little bit dirtied up. You get what you get with the cream though. And these are definitely getting re-released again. So value is at like an all-time low. So yeah, if you have cream Yeezys, I would sell them now. That's probably why they're thrown into a beater box. So that's it for this box. I don't know how you guys are feeling, but just kind of judging from what I know off the top of my head, I feel like there's not great value here. A lot of these shoes are not gonna move quickly. We don't have too many dead stock shoes. I think there's only one, and it was an A6, so it's not good. 28s nobody really buys. Like I said, V1s are bricks. Cream whites are nice actually. It's a good summer shoe, and there might be a buyer for it now, but right around when summer's gonna end, I would definitely try to move that because it's not gonna hold. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care guys. Aloha, I'll see you. Shoots!